Bigyan natin ang mensahe mula sa comedy class. Si Sir Christian Ray Veloso. Teacher.
Long post ahead. Ayan. Sabi ng mga mentors namin tuwing gagawa ng pitch, lagi magsa-start ang logline sa what if. Last October, we, the workshoppers, all had our what ifs. What if I joined this year's GMA writing workshop? What if mapili? What if hindi? Our what ifs were answered by an email through Sir Brian last November saying that we passed stage 1 and 2 of the application until we all reach stage 3 and 4 for the following months. With 20-ish facilitators, mentors, and guest speakers, with 16 future comedy writers plus 1 sit-in. Hello, Miss Flo. With 12 days of writing, pitching ideas, brainstorming, and eating free donuts and pizza, we have created numerous and varied characters, milieu, and stories either close to our hearts or simply out of this universe. We have also learned and realized 3 things. First, comedy is a serious business. Second, as writers, walang mental block. Sulat. Lastly, always find your goldfish. To my classmates, the Dunkin' Donut Ambassadors Anne,
Hoy.
the OG Manananggal Ayin, the religious RG na kaibigan ng Diyos, the Millennium Kuya Herman, the Direk Ramsey of our group, Direk Edmer, ang pang-apat na member ng The Hunks, Sir Aram,
Yes.
the performer
Wow.
Anthony, the 21st century baby girl Trisha, the masungit sa MRT Ethan, the mahilig mag-CR, Ephraim, the bouncer RJ, the blonde girl Miss Flo, the head brainstormer Jerome, the milky entrepreneur Marlon, the sex bomb girl Cherry, and the basic bitch no more Caitlin. Congratulations to all of us for making it here and making today. To the people behind the success of this year's GMA Writing Workshop from BDD2, our facilitators, mentors, and fairy godparents, to the ever-gorgeous and very responsive program coordinator, Sir Brian,
Yes.
to our pinakagago at brilyo na tatay-tatayan, whose sharp memory is beyond amazing, Direk Cosme, to the endearing Sir Mon and his quick-witted and funny stories, to the hardworking Sir Carlo for the food and coffee. Yes, yung coffee, no? Coffee is life. To the dependable, very warming and welcoming Miss Nini. To the infectious and motherly Manay Gina, na overflowing ang optimism at Gen Z energy.
Yes.
And to our brutally honest but genuine queen mother, Sir Joseph, na nagbigay ng ibang meaning sa salitang tae. To the Sir McCoy, Miss Renee, Direk Frascos, Sir Sherwin, Sir Randy, Sir Herbert, Sir Brad Pitt, Sir Vince, Direk Ram, Sir Arjan Mar, and to our panelists yesterday, Miss Bang and Miss Cecil. Maraming salamat po for sharing your time, wisdom in writing, and ensuring that we lay our eggs. May we give them a big round of applause. Maraming salamat po. And today, as we culminate and celebrate all our efforts and hard work, may we never forget the reason why we write: to inspire, to inform, to persuade, and to better the lives of our readers/viewers. Today, in our writing journey, wala na tayong what if. Only abangan ang susunod na kabanata.
Yes.
This is Christian Ray Veloso, your Kura Paruko. Proud to be Kapuso since 1995 and proud GMA Writing Workshop 2023 Comedy Class Batch 3. Maraming salamat. Kailan po ba kami mahal?
Yes.